It's the season for giving, and several schools across the district are spreading holiday cheer by giving back to their communities. Bluffton Elementary School is hosting a toy drive for children in need. The school collected 24 boxes of toys, which will be donated to Bluffton Self-Help for distribution to local children in the community.
Some parents out there cannot have enough money to give kids these toys. The whole reason we're doing this is so everyone can have a good Christmas.
I think it's important for all these toys to go to kids because some parents can't afford stuff, and it's amazing that our school is helping kids in need.
At Whale Branch Early College High School, Ladies First is also collecting toys for local children. Members of the club are sorting through all the donated toys before sending them to Hopeful Horizons.
We wanted to organize a toy drive because coming from an underserved community, I think that every kid deserves to have a good Christmas, no matter if their parents could afford it or not.
Here at May River High School, the HOSA Club is spreading holiday cheer in a unique way. They organized a board game drive to try to bring some fun to children spending the holidays in the hospital.
These are going to go to MUSC, so the children in the hospital that are unable to leave, we wanted to make sure that they had something there that they could play with and something that they could use.
Good morning, Masio students! Remember, the canned food drive is still going on.
And some students at Mossy Oaks Elementary School created this video encouraging kids to donate to the school-wide food drive.
Bring in those cans!
Students have been busy packing up the canned goods and non-perishable foods to donate to families in need.
Some people can't afford stuff for the holidays, and stuff these days are really expensive, so we do a canned foods drive so people can have food for the holidays.
All the collected food items will be donated to Help of Beaufort. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.